Hey guys, this is Lauren. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over the top 3 2019 front load washers. First model is a Whirlpool. This is the WFW 92HFE-EW. All the washers we're going to be going over today are direct drive motors. So they're one of the best motors on the market. There's no belts, clutches, pulleys, or brakes. And these all three washers are going to have the steam feature as well. So going into this particular unit, this one's going to have your load and go system. So here, this actually has a spot where it's going to hold up to 12 loads of laundry based off of an 8-pound load. So you can load your detergent right into this spot here. Going to load it up. It'll tell you your detergent levels if you're low or empty. So you can kind of load it up once and you're good up to 12 loads. This also is going to have your fan fresh. So for those times when you can't get to the washer in time, and let's say if you're going out or if you're tired and don't want to put the clothes in the dryer, up to 12 hours it has a fan built into the unit. It'll keep the unit running and it kind of keeps your clothes fresh and not soaking wet and gross. Third feature on this is the auto soak feature. So this one will auto soak for an hour on the unit to help fight stains. And yeah, this unit's great so far. It's highly rated on Consumer Reports. But yeah, guys, this is my number 3 pick. And let's move on to the next. All right, guys, this brings us to our number 2 pick. This is a Samsung. This is the WF45K 6500. This is 4.5 cubic feet. I failed to mention the cubic feet on the Whirlpool model. Whirlpool is also 4.5 cubic feet. Again, these are direct drive motors, so no belts, clutches, pulleys, or brakes. These ones also have steam, as the Whirlpool did. What the steam does, it actually helps fight stains better. It kind of opens up the fibers in the clothes and allows that water to penetrate the fabric. So going into this model, this one's going to have your add load feature. So if you have like a sock or something that you forgot, while the washer's actually running, you could throw something in there. So very useful, very helpful for that. Also, this has your super speed feature. So what that does, it's going to do a 36-minute wash, full size. So you don't want to overpack it, of course, on that feature, but it's going to be able to do a full load in 36 minutes. This one also has a lot more features. So going through, you have 15 different cycles to choose from. You do have also VRT Plus. What it does is it kind of calibrates itself. So if you have a load that's kind of heavier, like a bunch of wet towels, it's going to keep it quiet. So a little bit better for that. It also has a My Cycle feature. So if you do one load very often, you could run that load all the time just by pushing it there. If you want to change, if you're used to changing your soil level or temperature levels, you can just push that and push go. All right, guys, and that is my number 2 pick. Let's move on to number 1. All right, guys, this brings me to our number 1 pick for front load washers in 2019. This is an LG. This is the WM9000 model. This comes in white and graphite right now. So a couple different things. This is 5.2 cubic feet, so this is mega capacity. Also, again, has a direct drive motor and also steam. This does use True Steam technology, which is actually steam. It actually goes to 212 degrees and actually releases water vapor into your clothes. And also, this one's really highly rated for wash performance. So a lot of good features on this guy. But the interior on this, so first off, your loading detergent is going to be up top here. So it's got the sliding lid, kind of more, it's nice to kind of tuck away. You got liquid bleach only on this. And as we open the unit, interior, this drum is actually on a tilt a little bit. So it's going to help wash your clothes. This one also has your drum light on the interior. And also optional on all your models are pedestals, but with the LGs you actually get a sidekick as an option. So on the bottom here, you notice this isn't actually a pedestal. This is a mini washing machine. So for different items that are small, you could throw in there while you have a set going up top here. You could also have another load going on the bottom. So a really great machine, highly rated on Consumer Reports in the top 3. But yeah, guys, this is my number 1 pick. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. But thanks, guys, and I'll see you next week.